Stock analyzer, as the name suggests, it helps a person to analytically understand a company inside out with the wide range of information and analysis provided by our team. Let us search one company to get an overview of the product. For example, let's search Tech Mahindra. Starting from the dashboard of the company, it contains information such as current market price, market cap, volume traded for the day, 52-week high, 52-week low, day open and day high prices. Along with that, it has various fundamental ratios like price to book ratio, price to earning ratio, earning per share, etc., and also the holding percentage of the FII in the particular company. Now coming on to my current stock position. This is the part where based on your current holding scenario in the stock, we provide you suggestions based on our in-depth analysis as to what should be done with your holding. That is, we suggest you to either buy, sell or hold based on the fundamental and technical analysis done by our team. So let us select one of the options. Let's select making profit should I hold or book and see the results. So we suggest you to hold your current position for long term and not to book profit in the existing, as the company is fundamentally and technically strong. Coming on to the next section, that is stock emoji analysis. This is the key section of our product where we assign score out of 100 based on in-depth analysis conducted by our team. We consider a number of fundamental and technical parameters while calculating the final score. Our fundamental score is based on four strong pillars, which are growth, trust, efficiency, and liquidity, calculated based on a number of parameters. Price versus score section shows us the price action with respect to our score. Then there is a column for news where we get live company specific news update as soon as it is available. Emoji pair comparison shows the top 3 companies of the specific industry the search company belongs to. Strength and weaknesses gives us overview of the strengths and weaknesses of a company in the form of statements based on changes in balance sheet, profit and loss statements, cash flow statements, ratios, and shareholding pattern of the company. Next, here we have is a result section that gives key result highlights of current and quarter year compared to previous results quarter on quarter and year on year basis. Compare financial helps you to compare various financial parameters in a graphical manner wherein you can select parameters of balance sheet, profit and loss, cash flows and ratios and compare them simultaneously. Corporate action gives you detailed information of dividend, bonus, split and right issued by the company over the years. Shareholding shows the current holding and change in the shareholding by FIIs and DIIs, promoters, insurance companies, mutual funds, etc. It also has a statement analysis of the same as well. Deal section provides you with the information of bulk and block deals occurred over the course of time. Corporate announcement tells us about the announcements as soon as it is done by the company. Return analysis is a graphical and tabular analysis of the return provided by the company based on price. It provides changes in price in a day, week, month, quarter, 1 year and 2 year basis. Peer comparison is the comparison of the search company along with the companies of same industry. It shows graphical representation of various parameters available to user to change as per his point of analysis. You can even change the peer companies as per his choice. For example, we here can choose when remove one company and add another company and have to conduct the analysis. Deliverables provides the user with graphical and tabular representation of total volume traded in a day along with the delivery volume and delivery percentage. Now coming on to balance sheet. The user can get detailed 10-year data of companies' balance sheet statements, both standalone and consolidated. Along with that, the user can choose emoji analysis which shows the change upside or downside from the previous year, which makes it easy for the user to understand the trend. We also have provided the graphical option for each parameter to understand the trends more precisely. Now moving forward, in cash flow, the user we can get detailed 10-year data of companies' cash flow statements, both standalone and consolidated. Along with that, the user can choose emoji analysis which shows the change upside or downside from the previous year, which makes it easy for the user to understand the trends. We also have provided the graphical option for each parameter to understand the trends more precisely. In profit and loss, the user can get 10-year details of company's profit and loss statement, both standalone and consolidated. Along with that, the user can choose emoji analysis, which shows the change both upside or downside from previous year, which makes it easy for the user to understand the trend. We have also provided the graph option for each parameter to understand the trends more precisely. Coming on to revenue part, we have two sections for which we give in-depth and details about the revenue of the company based on geographical and product segment. In this, if we click on the product or geographical region, we get the list of companies generated revenue from the particular region or from the product. For example, if we here choose America, we can see the list of companies that have generated their revenue from the American region. Coming on to the ratio part, the user can get the details of the company of ratio analysis, both standalone and consolidated. Along with that, the user can choose emoji analysis, which shows the change upside or downside from previous year, which makes it easy for the user to understand the trend. We have also produced the graph option for each parameter to understand the trends more precisely. Coming on to the annual report, it keeps a log of all the annual reports of the company in the past 10 years. One can easily click and get access to the annual reports. We also have provided company's overview along with the management information of the company. Lastly, we have an upcoming feature which is scanner, which gives an idea whether the company is technically and fundamentally bearish bullish based on certain parameters. Poll is a user-operated function where we get the insights about our user as currently are feeling about the stock related to buying, selling or holding the stocks.